Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on? Ain't nothing cooler than the wrong moves when you do them to the right song, the right song. Let's shoot this movie and put the shit on repeat. I hope this memories are making you fall asleep. Before we hit the road, put our phones on silent. Nobody's trying to bring sand to the beach. What would it take to change your plan?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, I'll be doing a half up, half down crochet braid on this short hair, and I'm using the threading method. So the first thing I did was to moisturize our hair, because threading dries out your hair, so you want to make sure you moisturize it before threading. And then I went ahead to part our hair, as you can see. So for today's hairstyle, I'm using yarn instead of the regular thread that I normally use, because I feel this one is more softer and easier to manipulate for the hairstyle that I'm going for. So guys, this video is self-explanatory. I also have a more detailed tutorial on how to do this threading pattern on my channel already. I'm going to leave the link to that video somewhere on the screen and in the description box as well, but if not, you can just go with the flow.
They be asking what's my name, they be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Baby dance ya, ole ya, many music they to play. Dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya, oh ya, mole, baby my do, oh ya make you take a slow, it's okay. Be my blue, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my blue. I'ma make you take out slow. Omole, be my blue, don't fool me, my baby. Baby dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Baby me kojo dada, cause you know I blow ada. It's that cheesy. Fresh boy wait up easy. I got the cat that you needing. Plus I got the swag that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. Beauty so undeniable, baby girl, one day till the morning. Cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling, give it to me more. Music's playing, everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Baby dance ya, ole ya, many music there to play. Dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Be my blue, oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my blue, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my blue, I'ma make you take a slow. Come on, be my blue, don't fool me, my baby. Killing it again, my yeah, you know.
I've been to many places, but I've never seen nobody like you, girl. Like you, girl. I've been around the world, never seen a girl like you.
Now that I'm done threading the back of the hair, moving over to the other part, I'm going to split the hair into 6. So now I'm going to measure out the yarn that I'll be using for the entire process. And the reason I'm doing this is to make sure I have the same length all through this process. I'll be using 3 strands of yarn for this process. You can do more or less, depend on how thick or thin you want your strand to be. And also I'm going to use the yarn to add extra length to the hair like I'm doing right now. As you can see, I measured the hair backward just to be sure it's long enough for me to braid and at the same time put in a bun. When I realized it wasn't long enough, I continued threading till I was satisfied.
And you're a red jam. Don't mind what they say, don't say them. I've been to Rwanda, Uganda, Ghana, Morocco, Toronto, once away to. But I've never ever seen niggas so fine like you. No, I've never ever seen niggas so nice like you. And truly, you got that booty that can rule me. If love is a crime, you can sue me. So come to you with a guy like me. No, you never ever find another guy like me. I'm bad like that, no other guy like me. I'm a boss man, that's the guy I be. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let me show you the go. Say 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let me show you the go. I've been around the world, never seen a guy like you. Get down, oh, oh.
So now I'm done with the threading part. I'm going to move over to the next level, which is the corn row. And like I said before, this front part was splitted into 6 roll, and each of the roll was splitted into 5 sections.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Na na na.
I'm connecting each of the corn row at the end to form a bun.
It's KINKY.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor.
So the hair that I'm using for this tutorial is the Jamaica Bounce Jumpy Wand Crochet hair, and this hair was sent to me by a company on AliExpress called Extreme Hair Store. I'm going to leave the link to the seller and also a direct link to this hair in the description box below in case you're interested.
Move that, way I move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me filler wine.
So when I got to this part, I splitted each of the Jamaica bounce hair into 2 sections to make it look more realistic.
What's in me brain? The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, I'ma make you sweat.
It's VKills.
We still have a good time, you know.
So now I'm going to be crocheting around the bun and on top of the bun as well.
Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. Where you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco. Go loco, aye. Say I don't mind what you do, you'll always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to let throw it, baby.
After crocheting the bun and the entire hair, I tied the bun up with one strand of the Jamaican bounce hair. I could have also used a hair tie, but I don't know why I decided to use one strand of the hair. So you don't have to do this one, you just use hair tie to tie it instead. And then I went ahead and also laid down her baby hair using the got to be glued gel. And of course I tied it up, and I also trimmed out some of the hair from the bun to give it a more rounder shape. And yeah, so guys, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you want to see more of this type of video from me, please don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Baby, I go take care of you, passing on it. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems are no say solution, na ego. Are you getting me? Are you getting me?